headlights redone because they are crap right now.
They're crap. They're crap.
Pretty much. Hey, that's 300.
Yeah, 300.
It's nice. Not for standard.
It's a nice little view. So we're going to our homie's little business. He details cars, buffs them, cuts them, whatever you need.
That's where we're going today to get my headlights done.
Get his headlights done, get them brand new looking.
Sorry if y'all can't hear me, my car's kind of loud.
It's kind of loud.
Cop,
5-0, 5-0, 5-0, 5-0.
The reason I'm scared of cops is, as you can tell, the sticker's outdated. I have no license.
Way to call yourself out, bro.
I don't rest. Sorry. My cops watching.
Riding dirty. You're riding dirty. Oh, this thing's low. Oh, shit. Jesus Christ. QT? Shout out QT. Oh, it's a hey QT. I love QT, man.
Should I open it?
They got everything.
Your friendship has brought glorious technicolor to my life.
Oh yeah. That's smelly. Turn the car on.
That would help.
Yeah. Just a little bit. How about anybody want to move to Texas? So far.
It's cheap here.
True. Still.
What's up, dude?
What's up, man?
Chilling. Gonna watch you work, son.
Lock on.
Whew, it's a hot day, dude. Got a little van now, dude?
Yeah.
we are here getting my headlights done, and over here, he's doing, just got started. My boy Marty. He runs Street Fiend, so if you haven't go follow that, search up Street Fiend on Instagram, YouTube, and I think it's the only thing he got. Yeah, Instagram and YouTube, go follow him, guys. He's gonna be putting out content. So yeah, go check it out. Look at that ugly butt. I need an exhaust. I need a new exhaust. I don't know what to get though. Single, dual. Y'all let me know.
When it's wrong, turns your life to grey. And sometimes you don't even notice until you wake up one morning and realize years have gone by. We both know about that one, Alex. Your friendship has brought glorious technicolor to my life.
Special sauce.
Special sauce. Secret recipe.
I don't want to do that and drop it because that shit costs $100.
Shit. See you later.
See you, man.
Let me know what day you want to come back. I'll be there. There, dude. Oh, I'm on a bottle.
See you, dude. Thanks, man.
Oh.
I saw it and I was like, oh. So that's it for today's vlog, guys. And that's it for today's vlog. Shout out to Corey at Arcane for hooking it up with the headlights. They came out good. So that's it for today. You have a good one. Stay safe.